So you might be in a situation where for some reason your TikTok is posting a video or it's posted videos, but it's not showing up on your profile. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. Now, the main reason why this ends up happening is usually because the video that you posted may still be processing. So I go through this all of the time. So if I go ahead and post a video on my TikTok, sometimes it can take a little bit of time for it to actually show up on my profile. So what you're going to want to do is just go and give it a few seconds, give it maybe a minute or two. And if it's still not posting, just refresh your specific feed. Just go and refresh this. And what you'll see is sometimes your profile will actually go ahead and probably discover that new specific post that you posted. And that's all you're going to have to do. In my opinion, from everything that I've done, it's really that basic. And that's probably all I'd recommend doing here is just refresh this page and just go and do that. Now, another thing you can try doing if that's not working is just go ahead and see and make sure that that video that you posted was actually posted and it didn't go inside of your drafts. Sometimes if you go and try to post a video, you might exit out of the application and it might automatically save as a draft. So you can check your drafts by going into your profile right here, clicking on this first option, which takes you right into your drafts. And all you're going to want to do here is go ahead and just basically see if you have that video there. If you do, just tap on that video and just post that video as you normally would by clicking that next button. You can edit up your TikTok video as you normally would. And that's another option that you also have. Now, if for some reason that's also not working, you may want to see if for some reason TikTok needs to have an update for its application. So what you can do here is you can make your way over to your app store. You can click on search, and all you have to do here is go ahead and just click on, basically, click on whatever it is. So what we're doing, TikTok. You can go and just search up TikTok as you normally would like this. Go and find it, go and click update, and that may end up fixing the problem. If that still doesn't fix it, TikTok may actually end up being down. So all you're going to have to do there is just pretty much just wait it out until TikTok fixes the issue. And that's another thing you may have to do. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.